Hello there, welcome to my new 3-part deep dive into the world of glowy-based products, a category very close to my heart. Hopefully this series will get you excited to embrace glowy summer skin in the Northern Hemisphere or give you an escape from the cold in the Southern Hemisphere. In part 1, we're starting with skincare. Moisturiser, primer and sunscreen to give your skin a healthy glow and serve as a perfect starting point for makeup. What's a healthy glow exactly? To me, it's hydrated, dewy, fresh skin that catches the light and makes your makeup look its best on top. You can try every glowy foundation under the sun, but skin prep is key to creating that naturally luminous base. I'm not just talking about dewy moisturizers. If you'd like an episode on my favorites in future, let me know. These products are illuminating formulas, dialed up with light reflecting radiance to take your glow to the next level. They often have a slightly pearly, soft champagne or rosy color, not tinted. They are colorless on the skin, just packed with pearls for a non-glittery glow. Gorgeous. Starting with a couple of my luxury favorites, Victoria Beckham Beauty's Cell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturiser gets my Glowy Moisturiser Gold Medal, created in collaboration with scientist Augustina Sparta, the man behind that leading luxury skincare line. Anyone else spot Zendaya applying that body cream in challenges? This formula takes Sparta's signature nourishing, repairing TFC8 technology and gives it a champagne glow. Very fine gold pearls are suspended in this lightweight, silky moisturizer, so your skin just looks stunning. Not vampire glittery, don't worry, just radiant and perfected and completely compliment worthy. A 2023 favourite for me that's guaranteed to be on this year's list too. Tata Harper's Illuminating Moisturiser serves a similar pearly purpose. I discovered this after Phoebe Bridgers wore it to the Met Gala in 2022. I broke down that look by makeup artist Susie Sobel in a previous Celebrity Makeup Bag episode. This one's meant to deliver soft focus luminescence using real diamond dust. Very fancy. Peachy golden pearls also catch the light. It's so glowy. I almost treat this like a hydrating glowy makeup product. Wearing it alone, under makeup, mixed into base makeup, or applying a touch on top as highlighter. A more recent discovery in the glowy moisturiser market, Emma Lewisham Illuminating Brighten Your Day Cream, also known as Supernatural Day Cream. This is a New Zealand brand with plant-focused formulas and an impressive commitment to sustainability. This brightening moisturiser with vitamin C and ceramides is suitable for all skin types, has a richer melt into the skin texture, works to illuminate your skin long-term, but also has the most subtle, understated radiance so far. If the first two were champagne chandeliers, this is a candlelit glow, quietly glowy. I read that the founder Emma even adds a little more of this on her cheekbones and eyelids after makeup for an extra glow. Glossier Future Dew is a trickier one to place. Should it go in the skincare or makeup episode? Technically a skincare product, so I included it here, but the texture is the sticking point for me. When I hear oil serum hybrid, I think of a really light, fast absorbing texture, but this is thick, like it's glazing your skin, not sinking into it. So I tend to think about the glazed donut glow more than the skincare benefits. A glossy sheen, like wearing the gleam of your before bed skincare steps in an all-day way. Made with plant oils and extracts and light reflecting minerals with a pearly tint that disappears on the skin, I'd apply it as a makeup prep step or pinpoint it as glossy highlighter. I sort of treat all of those products as primer in the sense that they prep my skin to make my makeup look more seamless on top. But if you want a traditional makes makeup last longer primer that still has a glow, Laura Mercier's Pure Canvas Illuminating Primer is a great way to go. This is the grown-up present-day version of the mini Laura Mercier Radiance Foundation Primer I bought back in 2013 because Tanya Bird told me to. Nice creamy texture and, you guessed it, a glow thanks to tiny pearl particles. A really smooth base to brighten your complexion without being as glossy or juicy or tacky to the touch as something like Future Dew. This just settles on the skin and feels weightless, but still catches the light to give dull, tired skin a bit of a boost. The most important daily skincare product of all is sunscreen, so wouldn't it be nice to find one that gives you a generous glow too? Hello, Ultraviolet Queen Screen SPF 50+ Luminizing Serum. You've heard me rave about this Aussie brand. It's now taken over Europe and the UK, just landed in Canada, and they're working on coming to the US in the near future too. They make different formulas and finishes for different skin types, but best-selling Queen is the glowiest in the group. A thin, silky, milky, sinks in quickly serum, so the 3 3 full droppers you need for your face never feels heavy. Signature rose scent and a serious glowy superpower, so this one's best for normal to dry skin. Glowy Base Chapter 1 done. I'd love to hear if you have any particularly luminous moisturizers or primers or sunscreens in your bathroom cabinet. Next time, we're moving on to glowy makeup bases, the light-catching filters you know and love, and some of my personal favorite glow givers of all time. Meet you back here, same time, same place. Thanks for watching. See you next time.